Hi, it's Kylie from Voodoo Rabbit Fabric. I just wanted to go through some of the stuff that's just arrived. So here we have some wash away quilter's tape. This is good for holding in zips. I would recommend it for garments because it's not a strong hold, but it's enough to hold a zipper into a dress or similar. And then when you wash it, it washes away. So we've got a bit of that in. We've also gotten some more of the hemline self-covered buttons. We have these in a variety of sizes on the website. They're the ones that sold out. Okay, these are refills for the heavy-duty 15mm snaps. Just a quick note about these is Birch has taken over the hemline brand and they are discontinuing everything. So basically, I don't know how much longer I can get these, but for the moment, I can only get refills. We've also got some of the hemline plastic snaps. So these ones don't require a tool. They just snap together, so they're easy to put in, but they only come in black and white. And these ones are 13mm. I think they've discontinued the 9mm. Some of the hemline cam snaps. These are the light pink. We have a variety of different colours available on the website. Quilting pins with curved safety pins, good for quilting. These ones here are an adhesive tape measure, so if you want to put it on a table or something so you can quickly and easily measure off fabric, they're cool for that. These are the extending sewing gauge, so it concertinas out so you can have even markings between each of the little top bits, depending on how wide you have it. A little bit more glow in the dark thread, which is always fun. These are hand needles, self-threading. So these are for when you want to bury your threads in your quilt, because you just pull the thread down into the top there, and then you can easily pull it through, quick and easy, and then it comes out as you pull it through, and that's how you bury your threads. It's not much good for anything else. These are just our standard cute little packaged needles. It's just a variety of hand needles. They come in a nice little plastic case so you can keep them safe. These are always popular. I keep forgetting to reorder them though, but these are our nice coloured little thread snips, just have beside your table. And these have been out of stock for a while as well, but I was able to finally get some. These are pin tray, little magnetic pin dishes to have. So you just pop your pins in it and they magnetise so they don't go everywhere if you do drop it. And then the other thing I got was, I have had this one requested. This is the Birch Shape to Create Fusible Interfacing Woven. I think it's 100% cotton and it's probably equivalent to G700, maybe a little bit lighter. And then the other product we got have also available is the fusible double-sided foam from Birch, which isn't a bad product if you need a fusible foam. And that's everything. Everything's now available on our website, so pop over and have a look. Thanks for listening. Bye.